So this is my new Southern Pacific that I just got in, and I am using it to populate the second track on my N scale. Finally came in. I can't get any of the cars to attach to it. They keep falling off, derailing. So I'm going to have to get some better cars for it. Hold on a second. I think I got a caboose I can at least put on this.
Voila.
A caboose. Brand new Southern Pacific. Perfect little train. Lost its caboose though, as you can see. But it's a good train, and I populated both of my N scales now. So we'll see you next time. Take care.